Prepare to embark on a journey into the realm of automotive insanity as we explore the top 10 most extreme track-only hypercars. From mind-blowing downforce to jaw-dropping speeds, these machines push the boundaries of performance and engineering. Let's delve into each one and uncover the pinnacle of automotive ingenuity. Ferrari F-XX-K Evo, crafted for the XX program. The F-XX-K Evo optimizes excellence. Its modern V12 engine churns out a staggering 1050 CV, propelling it from 0 to 60 mph in 2.5 seconds. With a design inspired by racing, every aspect of this car screams performance, redefining speed with its raw power. Number 2, Aston Martin Valkyrie AMR Pro. Born from a collaboration with Red Bull Racing, the Valkyrie AMR Pro is a fusion of cutting-edge technology and luxurious design. Its lightweight carbon fiber construction houses a potent 6.5-liter V12 engine, offering a Formula One-like experience. This hybrid marvel combines gasoline and electric power for an exhilarating ride. Number 3, McLaren Senna GTR. Unshackled by regulations, the Senna GTR is engineered to dominate the track. Its V8 4.0-liter engine delivers relentless power, propelling it to a top speed of 211 mph. With a lightning-fast acceleration and precise handling, the Senna GTR is a testament to McLaren's pursuit of performance perfection. Number 4, Pagani Huayra R. Designed slowly for the track, the Huayra R is a Pagani's most potent creation yet, boasting a monstrous 6.0-liter V12 engine producing 850 horsepower. It's a symphony of performance and artistry. Inspired by legendary racing cars of the past, the Huayra R is a masterpiece of mechanical ingenuity. Number 5, Bourbon BT62. With an unprecedented 2646 lbs of downforce, the BT62 defies gravity with ease. Powered by a 700 horsepower 5.4-liter V8 engine, it's a true force to be reckoned with on the track. Despite its strength, Bourbon Automotive continues to push the boundaries in the competitive world of supercars. Number 6, GMA T.50S Niki Lauda. Named after the legendary Niki Lauda, this car embodies the essence of pure driving excitement. Its rear-mounted delta wing generates up to 1200 kg of downforce, providing unrivaled grip through every corner, with aerodynamic innovation inspired by Formula One. Number 7, Lamborghini Essenza SV12. Limited to just 40 units worldwide, the Essenza SV12 is a track-only marvel developed by Lamborghini. It offers a bespoke track experience like no other, with a powerful V12 engine and GT racing-inspired aerodynamics. It's a symphony of speed and precision. Number 8, Porsche 935. Paying homage to the iconic 935 by 78, the Porsche 935 is a race car like no other, with a 700 horsepower engine and progressive 6-speed transmission. It's designed for accelerating rear-wheel drive performance. FIA homologated safety features ensure both comfort and confidence on the track. Number 9, Bugatti Bolide. With a finely tuned W16 engine, the Bugatti Bolide is a masterpiece of automotive engineering. Its lightweight carbon monocoque and aerodynamic design produce unparalleled concerning speed. Number 10, Maserati MC20 GT2. The MC20 GT2 offers outstanding performance and handling. Its V6 90-degree twin-turbo engine, coupled with advanced technologies, delivers a potent blend of power and efficiency with aerodynamic enhancements and race-inspired features. In conclusion, these hypercars not only push the limits of the performance but also redefine what it means to be the greatest in the automotive industry. With each innovation and advancements, they continue to shape the future of high-performance driving. Stay tuned for more exciting updates and news from the world of supercars. So friends, that's our today's video. If you think this video is helpful for you and it gives you some knowledge about cars, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting and amazing videos. Thank you.